morning, and I welcome you all to another day for another video in my channel Riding Breed. So guys, this is the first day I'm riding the BMW 1250 GS Adventure, and the reason I'm actually riding today, of course, my first ride, I wanted to experience a motorcycle. I bought this motorcycle 2 months back, not used it, it was sitting in garage, and since the lockdown was a kind of relaxed in Bangalore, I thought, why not take this bike outside to for a quick spin and to get used to this motorcycle. And also, this bike is like brand new, guys, and I wanted to get the PPF done for this, so I'm heading to a detail shop detail to get this motorbike detailed or get the PPF wrapping done. And since this is an expensive bike, guys, you know, the paint protection is very important, especially from stone chipping to bird poop, from accidental scratches, etc. So I'm taking the bike today to the shop by name Ceramic Pro. So I'm pretty sure you guys would have known it by now. So this Ceramic Pro is known for their ceramic coating for high-end automobiles, be it cars, be it two-wheelers, or whatever it is. So yeah, so that's the place where I'm going, guys, and unfortunately this is not near the place where I stay, so I need to go about 20 kilometers to the shop. And yeah, I'm happy to do it because traffic is gonna be a kind of less, and also I'll be like able to ride this beauty for some time. So that is the plan as of now, and have to see how this is gonna go. And looks like I have to leave the bike with them for 2 days. The reason is, not everybody advises or recommends you to actually leave the bike for PPF for 2 days, but these guys are pros. That is what I have heard about them. So what these guys generally do is, they take your bike, they wrap the PPF, and they monitor whether this particular PPF is like peeling off in a kind of a day. I mean, just for a day. They will try to expose it in all sort of artificial weather conditions, I would say, heat, cold, etc. And based on that, if it is like required to let's say do a kind of a rewrap, these guys will do it and give you. But generally the warranty or the guarantee that these guys give is enough for say about 6 years guarantee or something like that these guys give, which is absolutely adequate if you ask me for something which we do it on the motorcycle. So yeah, so I really wanted to get this PPF quickly done, but unfortunately the reason I haven't done so far is because of the lockdown. If not, this would have been my highest priority task to complete it, or to have it, or to would have got it done, to be honest. But yeah, let's see, guys. I mean, and so far, guys, you would have seen, or you can see it, I just did about 13.3 kilometers so far, and the time I actually took the bike from my home, it was just 2 kilometers done. So I think I will be like doing somewhere around 30 kilometer odd just to get this particular ceramic, the PPF done in Ceramic Pro. So let's see, guys, how it goes. I mean, I'm really happy that I was like able to take the bike out and ride because these bikes are meant to be like ridden, and if you don't ride it, it's of absolutely of no point having these sort of motorcycles in your garage. So yeah. One thing so far with this motorcycle, coming in from Tiger 800, definitely this bike is very stable. It is absolutely stable, and it's not top heavy like how the Tiger used to be. That is because of its boxer engine with the lowered center of gravity. So that is making this particular motorcycle to be more maneuverable and easy to ride at low speed. And guys, this is like having enough torque to pull anything, trust me on that. So that's the reason I believe this is called as tractor. 31 psi and 37 psi, 2 messages. So how do I go to the messages? I have to see. Okay, any which ways, forget this. Let's actually ride and see from the open ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? 10 12 o'clock ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ರಾಹುಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 10 o'clock ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. हाँ सारा आ रहा है बोला। हाँ तो आ जाए। Hello guys, so here is a bike with the PPF done, with the ceramic coating done, and I personally liked it, the way the bike has turned out. They have done a very professional job. So as of now, honestly, I don't have anything to complain. So I think I need to ride the bike for a couple more days to see whether this PPF is like gonna stay intact, or I'll be like having some sort of an issue, which I really don't think I will have any issues, to be honest. And guys, really sorry, I have to apologize. On the day one of my video, if you would have seen, I have ended the video abruptly. The reason being the Ceramic Pro shop was not opened the time I actually reached there. So I actually forgot to turn off the GoPro, and I got into conversations with the security in terms of asking when this will be like opened and how long this is going to take, etc. So I just dropped the bike over there, and I called up Rahul. I spoke to Rahul, who is the owner of Ceramic Pro, and discussed and decided as to when I can actually pick my bike, what would be the cost, etc, etc. So frankly speaking, it didn't cost her a bomb, but at the same time it's not cheap as well. That's because I did both the PPF and ceramic coating on my bike, and the places that the bike is now ceramic coated is the complete tank, the front beak, this visor what you see. Yes, even this is like having a PPF, because this is one of the areas which is like prone to scratches, irrespective of how you try to avoid. So I made sure that this is like having a PPF now. And since I'm 6'2", guys, any issues I don't use this particular windshield to see and ride. My vision is over here, so this particular PPF is not gonna hinder my vision at any chance or anyways. So I thought, okay, let me just get this particular thing done also. And what else? I actually started the morning, took a cab and came over here. Unfortunately, my friends were busy with their office work, so they couldn't join. If not, they would have joined. But then, yeah, the next major thing to happen right now, hopefully, is a ride. And I'm just waiting for this particular lockdown to be like relaxed 100%, guys. And trust me, I really wanted this to happen as quick as possible so that I can actually take the motorcycle and go for a real long ride as such. So I can't really wait, guys. I can't say how much I'm actually missing the rides, to be honest. Yeah, nothing else to say. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. I need to finish the 1000 kilometers and I need to give the motorcycle for service as well, because the first service is already due. And I think when I spoke to BMW about it, hey, see, first service is actually due. I haven't rode the motorcycle and the motorcycle has done about 20 kilometers. So how are we going to address this? So the BMW guy, he told me, sir, don't worry about it. BMW knows the situation in India and most of the cities are in lockdown. So they are going to honor your service even if you come 2 months later. But definitely I'm not going to take that long time. So I will try to finish off the first 1000 kilometers as quickly as possible. If I do a ride to my hometown and come back, I think that should cover somewhere about 700 or 800 kilometers approximately. And I think that's good enough. I mean, I don't want to exactly reach 1000 kilometers and then take it to service. In case I'm like able to get it somewhere around 800, 900, I think that should be that's it. I'll give it the bike for service. So that's the plan, guys. And now heading back home. Fuel is 3 points left. I don't think I need to fill in anytime sooner. That's the advantage of GSA, isn't it? 30-liter tank, so such a huge tank. So I can see cops everywhere. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, cops are everywhere. So comfortable, it's so comfortable. But unlike Tiger, guys, this particular motorcycle is bouncy. I think it is to do with the dynamic suspension, because it adjusts, or it tries to adjust to give you the utmost comfort. I think that's what it is doing, because this motorcycle is like an SUV. You see how tall I'm actually sitting and riding the motorcycle. So one thing for sure, guys, we have reached we are nearing Electronic City, or we have reached Electronic City. But the way this bike has handled so far, right, I mean, when compared to the Tiger, I think in my the first half of the video I've already told about this. Tiger is really a top heavy bike, and this particular bike is having boxer engine. So because of that, it is like very balanced, and it has a low center of gravity. So it really doesn't matter so where or how you ride, this bike is going to give you confidence to still push it further. And yeah, of course, you just need to manage the weight of the motorcycle. Once the motorcycle starts rolling, you will not even get to know what the weight of this particular motorcycle is. So having said that, it's as good as an SUV on two wheels. I just love these roads. Electronic City, awesomely maintained by LCA, Electronic City Industrial Association team. Kudos to them. So I'll just give you a quick glance at the motorcycle. See, this is how it is, and this is after doing the PPF and ceramic. Isn't she looking gorgeous? She is, isn't it? Yeah, these guys have done a fabulous job, and personally I really like the motorcycle now. Alright, so pretty much that is it, guys, for this particular vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog, maybe on the ride. So take care. Until then, signing off, Riding Breed.